Welcome back. In this chapter, I'm going to show you how to process a refund in PayGuard. So as normal, your team member would be logged into their profile. However, they don't need to actually be on a telephone call in order to process a refund. So they just need to access the refund tab, which they'll have to have permissions for set up in their user profile. So I click on that tab, and I can enter the amount, the date, the customer reference, or the PayGuard reference to search for that, or I can use further information to further filter for that if the customer doesn't have any of that information to hand, such as the name on the card, their telephone number, the name of the agent that set that payment up, the type of payment it is, etc. So I'm just going to not enter anything there and search. And I can find here that I've got a two-stage payment. Okay, so I've got, that's a future dated payment and that's a deposit. So what I'm going to do, this customer has decided to cancel for one reason or another. So the first thing that I'm going to do is select the future dated payment. That will bring up the details below. And because we haven't actually processed this payment yet, my only option is to cancel it from happening in the future. So I simply hit cancel, and that will delete that payment from the system. And I then need to refund them their deposit. Perhaps we've done something wrong and we've agreed that they can have their deposit back. So I'm going to come in to this particular payment, and you'll see that this is dealt with slightly differently. So it's giving the details of that payment that was collected. I hit the refund button and it gives me a number of options here. So I can either refund the total amount or just a part of it. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to refund all of it, but I might just do half of it and that will calculate my percentage for me. I can change the date that I'm going to refund that. I might future date it. But I'm going to do all of that to be clean. Here are the details of it. I hit confirm. I am able to give that a specific refund reference as well, and that will be recorded. And I hit confirm. Before I actually submit that, it will allow me to just check that I've got everything right and go back and edit it if I'm wrong. I hit submit, and that will confirm that the refund has been completed successfully. I can put in another reference here. I can send a confirmation to the customer here, and I can add notes or a tag here and here to add to the record of that refund. That's everything for refunding.